Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a vending machine business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start your vending machine business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Since 2012, the vending machine industry has evolved and grown steadily. Vending machine operators have many opportunities as consumers' lives become busier and they seek accessibility and time-saving options while on the go. According to the Automatic Merchandiser State of the Industry report for June/July 2019, 2018 was a record-breaking year for vending machine operators, with an average revenue increase of 7% over the previous year. While mega vending companies accounted for 65.2% of industry revenue in 2018, the report stated that small vending businesses with less than $1 million in annual revenue enjoy higher profitability. According to the report, this is due to less employment and lower technology costs to manage their consumer base and number of locations when compared to what bigger businesses spend. Here are some of the benefits of starting a vending machine business. 1. Low startup costs. Vending machines can be funded. Other than a computer, printer, and phone to manage your business and a vehicle to service your route, you won't need much else. 2. Flexibility to work on your own schedule. In general, you'll be able to resupply vending machines and collect money whenever it's convenient for you. 3. The ability to easily alter your product selection. Assume you have a snack machine and a particular flavor of Doritos isn't selling well. You can quickly decide to substitute a different flavor or a completely different snack for that product. 4. Controlled growth. You can choose how quickly you want your company to expand. Some business owners keep their day job while gradually expanding their vending machine business. When you're ready to expand, you can add machines to your route as time and money allow. 5. Simplicity. Once you've secured contracts with business locations and placed your machines, running a vending business isn't too difficult. You must maintain your machines in order to keep them in good working order, restock them as needed, and collect money from them. Of course, you'll have administrative responsibilities as well, such as recording financial transactions, reporting and paying taxes, and dealing with customer issues. There are 3 ways to get started. 1. Purchase an existing vending machine company. 2. Invest in a vending machine franchise. 3. Establish your own vending machine company. Regardless of which method you use, you should consult with an attorney about legal issues and an accountant or tax advisor about financial and tax issues. When it comes to starting a vending machine business, costs can vary greatly. The way you enter the industry, the types, and number of vending machines you use, and the products you sell will all have an impact on how much you spend up front and on an ongoing basis. Option 1. Purchase an existing vending machine company. Purchasing an existing vending machine business or route can provide a quick entry into the industry. It provides aspiring vending entrepreneurs with immediate customer accounts as well as a secure revenue stream. Before jumping into such opportunities, it is critical to conduct extensive research. Find out why the current owner wants to sell the business and look over all aspects of it to see if there are any deal-breaking issues. As an example, inspect the machines to ensure they are in good working order. Examine current contracts with clients and vendors. Examine the financial statements. Option 2. Invest in a vending machine franchise. Franchise opportunities provide a proven business model for launching a successful vending machine company. Purchasing a vending machine franchise enables entrepreneurs to launch a business with much of the administrative and operational infrastructure already in place. Keep in mind that franchise fees and levels of support differ from one another. In most cases, there is an upfront franchise fee to invest in the opportunity, and then the franchisor takes a percentage of the franchisee's profits or charges a monthly fee. Examine the franchise agreement thoroughly to see if there are any unreasonable restrictions. Also, ensure that you understand your responsibilities for running your franchise unit in accordance with the franchisor's rules. For example, does the franchisor require you to form a legal business entity, such as an LLC or corporation? Option 3. Establish your own vending machine company. Naturally, this option necessitates the most effort. It does, however, give you the most freedom to start a vending machine business that fits your vision. Starting from scratch necessitates the acquisition of machines as well as the placement of those machines. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a vending machine business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.